the introverted salesperson versus the extroverted salesperson. Understanding the differences. In the sales world, the extroverted salesperson is often viewed as the ideal. Extroverts are seen as outgoing, confident, and persuasive, qualities that seem to align perfectly with the demands of sales. However, this view is overly simplistic and fails to recognize the value that introverted salespeople bring to the table. Understanding the differences between introverted and extroverted sales approaches is crucial for appreciating the unique strengths that each personality type offers. Extroverted salespeople strengths. Extroverts thrive on social interaction and external stimulation. They are typically energized by being around people, making them well-suited for activities like networking events, cold calling, and high-energy sales pitches. Extroverts are often quick to build rapport and can engage with a wide variety of clients with ease. Their natural enthusiasm and ability to think on their feet can make them very persuasive in fast-paced sales situations. Challenges. The very qualities that make extroverts effective in some aspects of sales can also be their downfall in others. Extroverts may struggle with listening carefully to clients, as they are often eager to share their own ideas and solutions. They may also find it challenging to manage longer, more complex sales cycles that require patience, deep research, and relationship building. Additionally, their high energy levels can sometimes overwhelm clients, particularly those who prefer a more thoughtful, measured approach. Introverted salespeople. Strengths. Introverts excel in areas where deep listening, thoughtful communication, and long-term relationship building are key. They are often more comfortable with one-on-one interactions and can create strong, meaningful connections with clients. Introverts tend to be well-prepared and detail-oriented, which helps them deliver highly personalized and effective solutions. Their ability to think deeply and critically allows them to understand complex problems and offer insightful recommendations. Challenges. Introverts may find it challenging to engage in activities that require constant social interaction, such as large networking events or high-pressure sales environments. They may also struggle with self-promotion, which can be a critical part of sales. Additionally, introverts may be more prone to overthinking or hesitation, which can slow down the decision-making process and lead to missed opportunities. Leveraging your introverted strengths. As an introverted salesperson, it's important to recognize and leverage your strengths rather than trying to adopt extroverted behaviors that don't come naturally to you. Here's how you can do that. Deep listening and client understanding. One of the most powerful tools in your sales arsenal is your ability to listen deeply. Clients appreciate being heard and understood, and introverts excel at this. Use your listening skills to uncover your clients' true needs, pain points, and desires. This not only helps you tailor your solutions more effectively, but also builds trust and rapport. Thoughtful communication. Introverts are naturally inclined to think before they speak, which can lead to more thoughtful and impactful communication. Rather than trying to dominate the conversation, focus on asking insightful questions and providing well-considered responses. This approach can set you apart from more extroverted salespeople who may prioritize quantity of interaction over quality. Building long-term relationships. Introverts often excel at building deep, lasting relationships with clients. Rather than focusing on quick wins, invest time in nurturing your client relationships over the long term. This can lead to higher client retention, repeat business, and referrals. Your clients will appreciate the genuine care and attention you provide. Preparation and research. One of the key strengths of introverts is their preference for thorough preparation. Use this to your advantage by conducting detailed research before meetings, presentations, or negotiations. The more you know about your client's business, industry, and specific needs, the more confident and competent you will appear. Leveraging written communication. While extroverts may excel in face-to-face interactions, introverts often have a talent for written communication. Use emails, reports, and proposals to convey your ideas clearly and persuasively. Written communication allows you to carefully craft your message and ensure that it aligns with your client's needs. Adapting extroverted techniques for introverts. While it's important to leverage your introverted strengths, there may be times when you need to adopt techniques that are traditionally associated with extroversion. The key is to adapt these techniques in a way that feels natural and comfortable for you. Here's how you can do that. Networking. Networking is often seen as the domain of extroverts, but introverts can be successful networkers too. Instead of trying to work the entire room at a networking event, focus on making a few deep connections with individuals who align with your goals. You can also use online platforms like LinkedIn to network in a way that feels more controlled and less overwhelming. Cold calling. Cold calling can be daunting for introverts, but it can be adapted to suit your style. Instead of relying on a scripted pitch, use your natural empathy and listening skills to engage the prospect in a genuine conversation. Prepare a few key points in advance, but be ready to listen and adapt based on the prospect's responses. Presentations. Public speaking and presentations are often associated with extroversion, but introverts can excel here too. Focus on preparation and practice to build your confidence. Use your ability to think deeply and anticipate questions to deliver a presentation that is well structured, informative, and engaging. Self-promotion. While self-promotion might not come naturally to introverts, it's a necessary part of sales. Find ways to promote your achievements and expertise in a way that feels authentic. For example, you could share case studies or testimonials from satisfied clients, or write articles or blog posts that showcase your knowledge. Creating a balanced sales approach. The most effective salespeople, whether introverted or extroverted, are those who create a balanced approach that leverages their strengths while also addressing their challenges. As an introvert, you don't need to become an extrovert to succeed in sales. Instead, focus on creating a sales strategy that aligns with your natural tendencies and feels authentic to you. Here's how you can create a balanced sales approach. Play to your strengths. Focus on the areas where you naturally excel, such as listening, research, and relationship building. These are the foundation of your sales strategy. Adapt when necessary. Recognize the situations where you need to adopt extroverted techniques, such as networking or self-promotion. Adapt these techniques in a way that feels comfortable and authentic to you. Manage your energy. As an introvert, it's important to manage your energy levels. Schedule time for rest and recharging, especially after high-energy activities like meetings or presentations. This will help you maintain your effectiveness and avoid burnout. Reflect and adjust. Continuously reflect on your sales approach and adjust as needed. What's working well? What could be improved? By regularly assessing your performance, you can fine-tune your strategy and continue to grow as a salesperson. Conclusion. Embracing your unique sales style. In sales, there is no one-size-fits-all approach. Both introverts and extroverts have unique strengths that can lead to success. By understanding the differences between introverted and extroverted salespeople, you can better appreciate your own strengths and learn how to adapt techniques that work for you. As an introvert, you have the ability to connect deeply with clients, communicate thoughtfully, and build long-term relationships. These are powerful tools in the sales process, and they set you apart from more extroverted counterparts. By embracing your unique sales style and leveraging your strengths, you can create a sales approach that is not only effective, but also true to who you are.